How to show the battery percentage on Android. This tutorial shows you how to display the battery percentage on your status bar. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Notifications. From there, tap on Status Bar to open the status bar settings. At this point, look for the battery percentage option and tap on it. In the next step, toggle it on and you'll immediately see the percentage appear on your status bar at the top of the screen. Following this, go back to your home screen and check the top right corner to confirm the battery percentage is now showing. From here, keep in mind that on Samsung devices, this is just a simple toggle with no extra style options to choose from. At this stage, if you don't see the percentage right away, try pulling down the status bar and it should appear there as well. Finally, if you ever want to hide it again, just follow the same steps and toggle it back off. And that's it. If this guide helped you show the battery percentage on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.